How to fix Discord Keybinds not working. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go now directly to apps. On apps you will find, as you can see, all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go directly to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.